Hello everyone. Murphy's so excited you're here. He wants to know, do you like biscuits? He loves biscuits. So in this week's story, as a part of Adventures with Murphy, Murphy went to learn about how biscuits are made. So let's snuggle in and listen together as Murphy visits a biscuit factory. Murphy was enjoying a crunchy biscuit when he wondered, where do biscuits come from? Did you know people have been baking biscuits for hundreds of years? Later, when at the bakery, a friendly baker asked Murphy, "Would you like to visit a biscuit factory?" Murphy wagged his tail. "Oh, yes, please." Did you know robots often help pack biscuits into boxes ready for families to enjoy? The baker showed Murphy giant bags of flour. There were bowls of sugar, creamy butter, fresh eggs and sweet vanilla. Every biscuit starts with simple ingredients, said the baker. Did you know flour helps give biscuits their shape? Huge mixers stirred everything together. Round and round they turned. "What a lot of dough!" laughed Murphy. The machines mixed much faster than people could. Did you know some factory mixers are as big as a small car? Goodness. Next, the dough rolled along a long conveyor belt. Then special cutters stamped out hundreds of biscuits, stars, hearts, animals, even little teddy bears. Murphy wished he could catch one. Did you know one machine can cut hundreds of biscuits every minute? The biscuits travelled into a very long oven. "It smells delicious," barked Murphy. Warm air baked them until they were golden brown. Did you know biscuits bake in very hot ovens? When the biscuits came out, they were too hot to touch. Big fans cooled them down. Murphy sniffed carefully. "They smell amazing." Did you know fresh biscuits must cool before they are packed? Now it was time for packing. Machines stacked the biscuits neatly, then wrapped them and placed them into boxes. Soon they were ready for shops. Did you know some factories make thousands of biscuits every hour? The baker handed Murphy one warm biscuit. Crunch! "It might be the best biscuit I've ever tasted," said Murphy. Did you know many different people work together to make the food we enjoy every day? Now, every time Murphy enjoys a biscuit, he remembers all the people and machines that helped to make it. Oh, I think that story's made Murphy a little bit hungry. We might go and find a biscuit. Hope you liked that one. Bye for now, kids. Off!